Hello, people of the internet. I am coming to you live from the Burke Museum. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm in my bedroom. This isn't even plugged in. The museum is closed while we all practice social distancing, but that doesn't mean we've stopped working to bring you closer to the world around you. In fact, we've doubled our efforts to Burke from home. Huh? See what I did there? Honestly, this is why we don't hang out anymore. We'll be bringing you all sorts of fun museum content, from Collections Q&As with Burke experts to tutorials you can follow along with at home. If there's a question or topic you want us to talk about, just comment below and we'll get our best people on it right away. I'm Timothy Kenny and I'll be one of your Burke from home correspondents. We're really excited to share this with you, so make sure to follow along on social to see the latest videos. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Psst. The next video might be coming out later today.